welcome to Bird Tales. This is a Bird Tricks box. It's a monthly bird subscription box with all natural parrot toys, and today we're going to be unboxing it.
Not sponsored by Bird Tricks. We just really like their bird box.
So inside, neatly packaged in a little parcel of tissue paper, covered with a Bird Trick sticker, is toys. So inside, first we have a Planet Pleasures toy, rugby toy, I think is the name of it. It is a small toy, has bamboo on it, and whatever these things are.
Alex, do you like it? He's falling asleep.
And so here we have another Planet Pleasures toy. Very fun looking toy. I bet Alex is going to love it. Hey Alex, how do you like it? He does not seem very interested in toys right now. And so then lastly, we have this toy, another Planet Pleasures toy. Looks quite good. Looks like Alex is going to have quite a bit of fun pulling the corn husks out. My one only concern is that once he does pull this out, he might use it as a nest. We'll just have to monitor it, and I do think the holes are too small for him to fit through.
Yeah, I think they made sure of that. He really likes this one.
He does.
Let's see how he likes that one.
In a later video, we will update and show you how he has been playing with his toys. Hi guys, welcome back to Bird Tales. This is a Bird Tricks box. It's a monthly subscription box full of parrot toys, and today we're going to be unboxing it.
This is one that we've gotten before for our green cheek conure Alex, and he completely destroyed it, as you can see. So now let's unbox the new one.
Your package is always so hard to open. Like we're forgetting scissor safety. I don't think this is a Bird Tricks box.
Yeah.